Today is finally the day! I'm excited to go fishing and enjoy nature. First, I need my fishing rod. Every fishing trip starts with the right gear. I have everything packed and ready. This is going to be a wonderful adventure. I'm all set now. Let's begin this exciting fishing journey. I love walking through this peaceful village. Everything feels calm and beautiful. The fresh morning air feels amazing. It makes me feel happy and energized. Nature looks so beautiful today. I enjoy every little thing around me. I can hear the birds singing. Their songs make this morning even more special. Look over there! I can finally see the river ahead. I've arrived at the river. It's even more beautiful than I imagined. This shady spot looks perfect. I think this is where I'll fish today. I really like this place. It feels comfortable and relaxing. Let me put my things down neatly. I like keeping everything organized. First, I'll set up my chair. Comfort is important for a good fishing day. Now I can sit down and relax. This view is absolutely beautiful. I need some water in my bucket. Let me fill it carefully. I'll keep the bucket right here beside me. Now everything is easy to reach. Time to open my tackle box. Let's get the fishing gear ready. I need the right hook for this fish. Let me choose one carefully. Now I'll attach the hook securely. Everything needs to be safe and strong. Let's put some bait on the hook. This should help attract a fish. Let me check everything one more time. I want to make sure I'm ready. I'm ready now. If it's a fish, I won't miss my chance. Let's see if I can catch a fish today. Fishing teaches us patience and focus. This peaceful moment feels wonderful. I'm enjoying every second of it. I think I have a fish. This is getting exciting. Wow, this fish is strong. It's putting up a good fight. Yes, I caught a fish. What an exciting moment! Look at this beautiful fish! I'm really proud of this catch. Now I'll trim the fins carefully. I'll place the fish safely in the bucket. I want to keep it fresh. First, I'll wash the fish carefully. Clean food is important. Let me remove the scales. I want the fish nice and clean. I feel proud of myself. Patience and effort really pay off. I'll make a few small cuts. This helps the seasoning go deeper. A little fresh lemon juice will make it even better. A cool drink sounds perfect right now. Let me enjoy a refreshing sip. It's time to prepare everything. Let's get ready for cooking. The grill is ready. Let's put the fish on and start cooking. Let's light the fire carefully. Safety always comes first. Time to turn the fish. Both sides need to cook evenly. Now I'll prepare the grill. Cooking outdoors is always fun. Now I'll add my favorite spices. This is gonna taste amazing. It smells delicious already. I can't wait to taste it. My fish is finally ready. It looks absolutely delicious. Fresh vegetables make every meal better. Look at this healthy cucumber. It will be perfect for my salad. These tomatoes look ripe and delicious. Let me pick a few. Fresh and clean is always best. Time to prepare the salad. Let's cut everything into small pieces. Let's add some salt. A little seasoning makes a big difference. This salad is coming together nicely. My meal is almost ready. Let's arrange everything beautifully. I'm thankful for this wonderful meal and beautiful day. Let me rub the seasoning in carefully. I want every bite full of flavor. Before I leave, I'll clean everything up. We should always keep nature clean.
Let me take one last look at the river. I want to remember this beautiful moment.
Now I can sit back and relax. This peaceful riverside view is wonderful. Everything is packed and ready. It's time to head home with a happy heart. Thank you for joining me on this fishing adventure. See you again soon. Goodbye.